folks! We've wrapped up another Google I/O, and artificial intelligence for developers was a top topic this year, and we're going to sum it all up for you in the next 5 minutes. I'm Ashley Oldacre of the AI Developer Relations team at Google.
And I'm Joe Fernandez, also from Google's AI Developer Relations team.
Joe runs the Build with Google AI video series.
And Ashley is the creator of the People of AI podcast and video series.
Right, and together, we totally got this.
Yeah, totally.
You're lying.
No,
You're lying.
no,
We agree. You start first,
and then
you first. The Gemini team kicked things off with the announcement of a new model, Gemini 1.5 Flash. The Flash model has a huge 1 million token context window and is optimized for handling a variety of tasks and data, including text and media input.
Google is bringing the value of Gemini to coding tasks through a wide variety of tools and applications. The team showed how we're bringing the power of AI to the software development lifecycle in tools like Project IDX, Gemini apps, and generative AI-powered search for our development documentation.
Need to know where to start your AI-powered development projects? The Google Cloud team has you covered with a presentation on growing your AI projects. Learn how to build out your ideas in Google AI Studio with Gemini API and seamlessly scale up your projects with Vertex AI's training, data, hosting, and management services. This session helps you find the right path for creating prototypes to full-blown applications that serve your entire user community.
Wouldn't it be cool if you could use AI to have a conversation with your business systems to get the data you need?
No!
What? Why not?
That sounds like a super boring conversation. Imagine, hey database, what did you do today? I served 56 billion queries this morning. What did you do?
I guess you have the point. However, the cloud team showed off how the Gemini API's function calling feature lets users explore their own data using just natural language. Now, this won't turn your business systems into sparkling conversationalists, but it could help your team unlock the value of their business data.
Running AI models in data centers isn't always the right solution. Handling data close to where it's generated can improve data privacy and speed up response times. To help you run AI models closer to your users and their data, we're bringing a host of technologies under a single umbrella called Google AI Edge. With this technology suite, you can run artificial intelligence on mobile devices, the web, and thousands of smaller computing devices, including support for PyTorch models.
Speaking of running AI on the web, think you can't run a generative model in a web browser? Think again. Our web AI team showed off a large language model running entirely in a web browser and shared a wealth of news on advancements in web AI development from Chrome, TensorFlow, MediaPipe, and Visual Blocks.
Turning to open models and customized ML solutions, the Gemma team announced a new official variant, PaliGemma, that handles both text and image input. Watch their I/O session to learn about updates to Gemma models, including an upcoming 27 billion parameter variant, as well as Google AI developer tools that help you tune and deploy those models.
Gemma models really shine when you start tuning them to solve specific problems or if you want to closely manage your development resources. With that in mind, the Keras team presented a session on tuning Gemma models, as well as some AI model brain surgery tricks. Learn how to make generative models stay on topic and remember more of what you say to them.
When available models just don't satisfy your needs, it's time to consider building your own model with machine learning development tools. Check out the session on using Keras as an approachable, cross-framework ML development tool. The team also covers JAX, the ML framework used to build Google's generative AI models like Gemini and Gemma.
While AI and generative models bring amazing power and possibilities to software applications, putting them to use in ways that actually benefit users can be challenging. The People in AI research team presented an update to their AI guidebook for developers, user experience designers, and product development leaders. Their session helps you take a thoughtful and principled approach to building generative AI features for your users. And that's all the time we have to tell you about the amazing advancements in AI at Google I/O. See the links in the description for all the sessions we talked about.
It's an incredible time to be developing with artificial intelligence, and we're very excited to see what you build with all of these tools, technology, and teachings this year.
So keep learning,
keep building,
make something great.
And thanks for listening.